Chiefs kasi grabe yung blocking nila.
Serve out. First point of
So we
the set
begin
goes to EAC.
set number 2 with a service error from Donna Paralejas. This is not how Arellano started the match. They were, moving very well at the beginning of the match.
And a service error is a giveaway point to your opponent.
That one was defended by Formento. Omapas overcooks it.
Too much power
Attack
there.
goes out. Point to AU.
And the Lady Generals, if you're in this type of situation, you have to take advantage because you don't see and you don't win a lot of sets in the competition just like this. So kailangan kung may opportunity kang ituloy-tuloy, gawin mo na. Ay ang ginagawa dito ni Razonable.
Alex Razonable.
Grabe yung variation ng palo niya. Kaya hirap na hirap din yung depensa ng Arellano Lady Chiefs.
Alex Razonable.
Grabe yung soft spike niya. No? Tapos yung placing niya rin, down the line, cross court. Binabasag niya rin yung depensa ng Lady Chiefs. And pag nakapuntos siya, grabe yung celebration niya.
That's right. Pati yung serve niya maganda rin. Toddy. There's a check. Yeah, there's a check.
Dodi Batindaan.
Dodi was targeting the back row.
Yeah.
Team captain Dodi
So, 2-all.
Batindaan to serve.
Ganun din gagawin mo kung veterano kang spiker. Pag nakikita mo na grabe yung blocking nila, ipapacheck out mo na lang.
Ooh, Batindaan.
Dodi Batindaan.
Unleashing a service ace.
That's 2 straight points for Dodi.
Meron na siyang 7 puntos sa ating laban.
And this is the time na kailangan nila bumawi. That was a close game and kailangan nilang mabalik yung kumpiyansa nila.
That one bounced off the net. At yung puwelo ni Guzman. Pau is able to score.
Pau de Guzman.
They need more of that talking about Arellano.
Good back set.
4-serving-2.
Wow.
Pag sobrang nipis talaga yung palo mo, lumulusot talaga sa blockers.
But it's another service error for Arellano University. That's their second one. Sa second set natin, at kakasimula pa lang natin ang set 2.
Arellano also needs to step up with their service kasi galing mag-receive ng Lady Generals.
Reception is actually one of the strengths of VAC. De Guzman catching the line.
Pau de Guzman.
That was a slice shot, a cut shot for Pau.
And Pau de Guzman has been stepping up for Arellano and that's what she always does.
Grabe. Tsaka matangkad din siya na spiker. Umapas. Diretso kay De Guzman yun. Ceballos. Set back. Back to Harem. Malapit sa net. One more time. Ito na naman ang EAC. Almazan. Tagikla. Paralejas. Running push. Oh, De Andres with a save. Almazan rises. Covered by Cagicla. Attack from behind. Nandun si Formento. Panik sila kay Almazan. Nandun naman si Tudlasan. Middle attack.
Wow.
And Mangubat ends the rally.
Faye Mangubat ends that rally.
6-3 now in favor of the Lady Chiefs.
Good set. And nakita niya walang tao dun sa gitna.
Pinuntahan na ni Paralejas yung kanyang middle blocker. Let's see how EAC will counter. Gallardes. Regalo. Teka. Ceballos. Checked. Mangubat. Covered by De Andres. Omapas. Swings away.
Jen Omapas.
Then Omapas
Jen Omapas to serve.
is showing us consistency.
Great set. That was through the blockers. What a powerful spike from Omapas.
Ito si Jen. Even at the service line. Effective siya. Ooh, inside. De Guzman.
De Guzman is really a smart player. May kita mo na dinudulo niya yung spike, pag nakaabante yung depensa. Ang galing niya talaga sa placing ng bola.
Dulo siya kanina sa cross court, no? Ngayon sa likod. Tap from behind. Returned. Wow! So, EAC will get a kill block here. And they stay close in the second set.
Kat Almazan serving.
Kat Almazan. 7 points in the opening set. Paralehas. Tudlasan. Talagang sinasara nila yung open.
Wow!
Donna Paralehas.
Donna Paralehas.
Again, such a luxury for Coach Obed to have a spiking setter. Let's go to this technical timeout. Pagbalik natin, it's another update from Diana Igual.
EBL. Tapos I also hosted a show called Upfront. It's a lifestyle show for athletes. And then went on to do different gigs, non-sports gigs as well on television. Currently on 24 Horas right now. Game Changer, we also feature athletes and different activities there. So, yun. And now,
Mga kapuso at NCAA fans, so nagbabalik po tayo dito sa NCAA Season 99 Women's Volleyball Tournament, where we'll look into the two players whose forms are undeniably unmatched in scoring points for their teams. So Martin and Melissa, it was about time that we see the old form of Laika Tudlasan of the Arellano Lady Chiefs. Nang makausap ko nga siya kanina, sa aniya nito na hindi daw niya nararamdaman ang sakit from her injury. At least not until the game ends. If anything, she told me that she's functioning on an adrenaline rush at syempre sa tiwala na rin na binibigay sa kanya ni Coach Obed. Now, on the side of the Lady Generals, we can see nothing but a consistent form from no other than Kat Almazan. When I asked her kung saan ba niya nakukuha ang kumpiyansang ito, she told me that she credits her good plays to her ability to set her mind on every game the night before she plays. This speaks so much about her mental maturity going into her last season. Martin and Melissa?
Thank you so much, Diana. Kat Almazan, of course, a lethal scorer in the league, back to her old number. And now, playing in her final 2 games in the NCAA. So, you know, the motivation is there for Kat. Pero para kay Tudlasan, yung update kanina ni Diana, ang injury niya, Mel, this is painful. Back pain.
Yeah,
It's a back
I
injury.
feel her. I also have a spine injury. And ang hirap talaga gumalaw.
Lalo na galing sa laro, ganito yung intensity ng laban natin.
And when you have a back injury, nag-shoot yung pain
Yeah.
pababa, papunta sa paa. Kaya ang hirap din for a spiker or any player to have a back injury.
Yeah. So it's good to see her moving this well. And again, 80 to 90% recovered na.
Yeah.
Itong si Tudlasan. Pero ito siya. Again, covered na ang open ng Arellano. Razonable. Ooh, too strong.
Ball out. Point one and
So 11 to 6.
11 serving 6.
Kanina pa pinapa-check out talaga ni Alex Razonable, but that one was too long, and napapansin ko rin na yung blockers na ng Lady Chiefs, iniiwasan na rin nila kasi alam nila pa-check out.
There's Almazan. That enables EAC to stop the bleeding.
Almazan.
She is giving her a game.
Yep. Look at
Ganun
this.
talaga pag mga senior na.
Serving.
Very emotional na when you play.
Tsaka final 2 games mo na sa college.
Yeah.
Ibuhos mo na.
Totoo.
Diba?
So you will not have any regret.
Dodi Batindan getting that one to go in through the 2 blockers.
Laika Tudlasan.
Delete lang ng konti yung talon nitong EAC blockers, kaya Dodi was able to score. Here's the jump serve. Kahit may backpin, nagja-jump serve pa rin yung Tudlasan. Umapas with the left hand. Returned to EAC side. Almazan, deflected. Patindan, kept alive. Razonable, nandun si Kagikla. Paralejas tracks it down. Ceballos. De Andres keeps it up. Razonable. Andun naman si Kagikla ulit. Pau de Guzman.
Pau de Guzman.
With an emphatic hit to end that rally, Coach Rod
Timeout, EAC.
calls for a timeout.
Pag malayo na yung bola, bitawan mo na.
Let's go. Hindi na pinapalo masyado yung mga middle. Kaya
Hindi mo madaliin. Ano sabi ko sa'yo? Huwag ka magingingiti pag naglalaro ka. Pag nagingingiti ka, nawawala ka.
kailangan push pa tayo. May blocking sa tao sa flyers. Tapos pasa natin. Nawawala serve receive. Legs drop ball. Sorry. Pasa muna ulit. Go, go, go.
Back to the coverage. Pau de Guzman. Walang bantay dito sa kabila.
Great set there also by Donna Paralejas.
13-7.
Bumibilis yung mga set niya.
Yeah.
Kaya nalilate na rin yung blockers ng Lady Generals.
So, we see now the adjustment from Donna Paralejas dahil sa binibigay ng mga blockers ng EAC na depensa sa net. De Guzman! What an angle for Pau de Guzman.
De Guzman.
So, Arellano doubles up on EAC.
Look at that. Perfect set.
Oh, wow.
And ang ganda. Ang ganda talaga. I mean, even I as a libero, may hirapan akong kunin yun.
Yeah, ang hirap. Oh! And it's an ace from Laika Tudlasan.
Tudlasan.
Looks like the Lady Chiefs are back. Then they got their rhythm back.
Laika Tudlasan, jump serve. Saktong-sakto sa linya. This one is too strong.
Serve out. 3 point for EAC.
That hit really by Pau de Guzman earlier. Ang nipis ng angulo na yun, Mela.
Sobra.
Serving for the Lady
Ako din eh.
Generals, Alex Razonable.
Off speed na placing lang.
Tsaka nakita mo sumilip siya bago
Oo.
siya pumalo. Yun yung mga veterano talagang
Correct.
mga players. And grabe, alam mo si Pau de Guzman, gusto niya bumawi.
Yeah. Patindaan. Abuelo si Almazan. Almazan!
Wow.
So, EAC stops the bleeding again, but etong Arellano, nakapuhunan na ng medyo malaki. That time, going. Yeah.
Ganda ng adjustment ni Almazan doon kahit medyo buka yung set. Nag-sidestep muna siya bago siya pumalo, nag-approach. Wow.
Such a crafty scorer itong si Kat Almazan. Razonable. Another good serve. De Guzman. Cordial was there. This is going to be sent across. Nope. That was too much
Ball out.
to the left for Kat Almazan. So we head to our second technical timeout. Arellano ang abante ng 7 puntos.
That sends us to our second technical timeout in set number 2.
In people's lives. And with this show, I hope that we're able to do that even more.
Definitely, sir.
Sabihin ko na nga, proud ako dun sa... Ginawa niya sa akin kanina eh. Pinaka-proud ako. Hindi, dun sa...
Please be careful.
Dun sa binanggit mo, sa mga binanggit mo.
Final 2 matches for the EAC Lady Generals, including this one against Arellano. Ang bigat naman ng dulo nila. Perpetual.
But their goal is maka-isang win lang para lang to umangat kasi last season
Yeah.
winless din sila.
That's
But
true.
they've been winning the first few games, 'di ba? Nakakaisang set sila sa mga magagandang team.
That's right. Laging ganito ang EAC.
End
Yung
of the technical timeout.
sa dulo sila nakakahanap ng organization and nagpipeak yung team nila.
Service error.
And when you watch them play during the first set, galing eh.
Yeah.
Wala lang silang yung panapos.
Yeah.
Yung tuloy-tuloy, consistency sa laro nila. Because if they're more consistent, if they play like they have played nung first set, yung game nila na ganon, yung laro nilang ganon,
Yeah.
tapos ituloy-tuloy lang nila, no, they can have, you know, a better standing.
Pau de Guzman
Marami
on
silang
deck to
gugulatin
serve.
na
Oo.
teams. Pau de Guzman, in the meantime, goes down the line that time. Although she sends
Service error.
the serve straight to the net.
For the Lady Generals.
11-17.
Geno Mapas to serve.
So Jen Umapas, 10 points last game, 6 points today. Paralehas, Mangubat is denied. Cepalios puts it down.
Harem Ceballos.
How about the emergence of Harem Ceballos?
Serving for the Lady Chiefs. Harem Ceballos.
Eye-opening performance against Perpetual. Got the start today. And she consistently produces. Pinalik ni Laika. Oh, what a return by Tudlasan.
Laika Tudlasan. Substitution for the
That was
Grabe
a
yun.
giveaway set.
Yeah.
Number 10.
Yung chance ball, pinalo niya kaagad.
Pinilit niya.
They weren't ready for that.
Ayaw niya ipaset up yung EAC. New player on the court for the Lady Generals. This is Trisha Brutas. Almazan.
Another one from her.
Almazan.
Lahat, kahit anong palo niya, mapa-backline, mapa-frontline, grabe. Alam mo, may diin eh.
Kath Almazan serving.
She now reaches double figures in scoring with 10 points. Pinangat ni Gallardes. Mangubat. Good placement para dito kay
Mangubat.
Faye Mangubat.
Good target there. Sa regalo.
Faye Mangubat to serve.
Ayun, ha? Niwas talaga niya. Razonable. Through the block, but saved. Second ball lang ang naging problema doon ng Arellano. So EAC will score another one, but they're down by 7 in the second set. Alex Razonable
Captain Ada Gallardes on
is
the
still
service
scoring,
area.
but not as much as the opening set.
Binabantayan na rin kasi siya eh.
Yeah. Paralehas. Underhand setup for Tudlasan is
Attack
a little bit too powerful.
Point to the Lady Generals.
They have to lessen their unforced error during this
14,
time kasi nung
7 to
first set, nakakahabol yung Lady General sa kanila.
Substitution for Coach Obet. Maui Magaling checks in for the first time. Now, she's had her share of good games as well for Arellano this year.
Also a dependable player,
Yeah.
lalo na sa mga crucial games din.
Ito si Magaling. Nakabantay si Brutas. Back row hit. Popped up by Ceballos. They go back to Maui. Oh, covered by Almazan. Ooh! Awkward approach by Razonable.
Point to Arellano.
Results to an awkward hit as well.
Donna Paralejas on deck to serve.
Yeah, she just tried to send this one over.
Yeah. Pero sobrang baba na yung bola. So it was too late na to spike the ball pag hindi nakababa yung bola.
Rhea Magalona
Point to EAC.
activated by Formento for her first point. Through the two blockers that time for Rhea. So Formento serves it up. Steady. Donna, Dodi, Cordial with a save. Back from behind. Paralehas. Oh, miscommunication that time.
Dodi was too
4
early.
touches. Arellano. Point is yours.
Let's look at the replay.
Yeah.
Good receive
And
there.
Formento still serving.
But no one was there.
Yeah.
Nalito din si Pau doon.
Kung siya ba ang kukuha? Si Dodi ba? Donna goes to Pau this time. Dapat
De Guzman.
pinagdig ko na si Mel. Libero reflexes.
Timeout.
22-16. It's another timeout by EAC.
Eh, huwag ka naman pag-away sa akin.
Nagagawa na yun.
Tama dyan kung paano ko sumunod sa akin. Ano ginagawa mo? Sabi ko sa'yo, huwag kang magtawa.
Serve receive. Balik tayo ulit doon. Palmahan natin. Isa-isa. Kaya yan eh. Kaya yan.
Let's go! EAC! Go, go, go!
You see, Coach Rod, of course, again, did not join the timeout. Pero hinili niya itong si Alex Razonable for specific instructions and a specific message. So we'll see how EAC will execute here. Sila yung nag-uusap doon. Razonable. Blockers were there. Back to Alex they go. Outside for Razonable.
Point to AU.
A different game for her during the second set. Medyo ang daming errors.
Yeah.
Puro out yung spikes. Pag continuously ka rin nag-error kasi as a spiker, mawawalan ka rin kasi ng kumpiyansa.
It'll affect the mental aspect of your game.
Point to Arellano.
Brutas sending it straight to the net. Arellano a point away from equalizing the match. Maui Magaling starts sobra.
Serve out.
The Lady Chiefs are really risking their serves, which nagiging effective naman from their side. Kasi medyo nahihirapan din ngayon sa depensa yung Lady Generals and mas konti yung plays na ginagawa nila during the second set.
Yun yung inadjustan dito ng Arellano. Although it's resulted to 3 service errors, mas marami naman yung nakuha nilang puntos.
Ang daming out of the system plays na nangyayari ngayon sa Lady Generals na pinipilit pa rin ng spikers pero napupunta sa net.
That's right. It's still alive. Almazan down the line.
Wow.
Outside, apparently.
Ball out.
So that's how we will end
Arellano.
set number 2. Arellano fights back. We're all tied up. 1 set apiece. Pagbalik natin, set number 3.
25-17 for Arellano.